Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'll be going over how to fix Wi-Fi issues with your Apple iPhone. Before I begin, give this video a like, comment down below if you knew about this way, or maybe it's helped you, or maybe you didn't know about it, and just comment down below and tell me if it's helped you or not. And definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do a lot of tech-related how-tos, guides, tutorials, everything from Windows to Mac to Chromebooks to iPhones to you name it. And yeah, it's pretty much it. So speaking of Macs, before we officially jump into the video, things may be looking a little bit different. I'm on my Mac currently recording this video. My next couple videos will be Mac related and iPhone related, just to kind of expand my horizons a little bit and just push more other technology related things out. So yeah, so let's jump right into it. Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone. I know some people may experience problems with their iPhone where if they're connected to their home Wi-Fi, it may be spotty, it may kick you off, and you're not consistently on your Wi-Fi. So I'm going to be showing you how to fix that if you have an iPhone. I'm sorry for my Android users, but this is just to show you a quick video on how to fix Wi-Fi issues. So let's just jump right into it. I have Air Server installed on my Mac, so I'll be showing you step by step what I'm doing on my iPhone that you should be doing on your iPhone if you have this problem. So let's begin. I'm going to connect via Air Server here. Alright, so here is my iPhone in all its glory. So to fix Wi-Fi issues that you may be experiencing, you want to go down and click on the gear, the settings gear. You know, if you have this on your front page, or maybe you have it somewhere else, just find the settings gear right here and click on it. From here, you're going to scroll down until you see General right here. Click on that. Then scroll all the way down until you see Reset. Click on that. From here, you're going to have a couple options. You're going to see Reset All Settings, Erase All Content and Settings, and Reset Network Settings. You're going to click on Reset Network Settings. You're going to put your code in. If you have a passcode to your iPhone, this is where you put it in. Alright, then from here, you're just going to click on Reset Network Settings, and it's going to restart your phone. Phone's going to reboot, come back up. From there, you're going to connect to your Wi-Fi again and put the password in for your home Wi-Fi, and hopefully that'll fix the issue. I know this fixes most of the issues if you're not constantly, connected to your Wi-Fi, if it bumps you off here and there. So that was just a quick video on how to do that. Another thing is this method. Bear with me here. This method not only works for iPhones, but it also works with all the iPads, just so you can get your Wi-Fi straightened out. So, stop mirroring. So that's pretty much it, guys. That was just a quick tutorial guide on how to fix Wi-Fi issues with your iPhone. Hopefully it helped. Give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you on the next video.